Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. Today we will see integration 2 marks question number 23 dear students. Find integration x raised to 4 minus x raised to 1 by 4 dx divided by x raised to 5 dear students. This is the simplest question but little bit different also you can say in maths. So now see how to solve this different question. So here, dear students, x raised to in this raised to 1 by 4 is that. In this, which is having power more, x or x raised to 4? Here nothing is there means 1 is there. X raised to 1 is greater or x raised to 4 is greater? X raised to 4 is having higher power, no? So that x raised to 4 you take it out. So if I take it out, what will happen you know? So I will show you, see here. X raised to 4 I will take common. So what you are left with inside? 1 x raised to 4 into 1 is x raised to 4. So it will divide this also. X raised to 4 like this you will get. X raised to 4 into this if you do, it will looks like this or not. See. X raised to 4 into minus x raised to 4 you will get this get cancelled and you will remain with minus x only dear students. X raised to 4 into 1 is x raised to 4. X raised to 4 into minus x raised to 4 means x raised to 4 will get cancelled. That's why I am dividing this as x raised to 4 dear students. Whole raised to how much? 1 by 4 dx whole divided by x raised to 5 dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. So now see how to solve this one dear students. Easily we can solve this. This see. X raised to 4 1 minus x upon 1 minus x upon x raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. This raised to 1 by 4 is belongs to x raised to 4 also and for this bracket also what you have written. So now I can take it inside x raised to 4 raised to how much? Raised to 1 by 4 I can write dear students and 1 minus. So 1x get cancelled, 3 will remain here. Here nothing is there means 1 will remains. So 1 upon how much it is remaining? X raised to 3. So raised to how much? 1 by 4. This raised to 1 by 4 belongs to this bracket also, x raised to 4 also. I have taken you see here 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So now this whole divided by x raised to 5 you can write. Understood everyone? So now see. This will get cancelled. A raised to m raised to n is what? M into n. 4 into 1 by 4 is what? 4 get cancelled, it will remain with 1. So 1 I wrote. So how much is remaining? X raised to 1 is what? X. So 1 minus 1 by x raised to 3. I can take x raised to 3 up. If I take to the numerator, it will become what? X raised to minus 3 raised to 1 by 4 dx whole divided by x raised to 5, I will get cancelled with 1x, here 4 will remain. 1x will get cancelled, 4 will remain. Understood? So now how to solve this one you see. 1 minus x raised to minus 3, I will take it as t dear students. Put what? Put t is equal to how much? Put t is equal to 1 minus x raised to minus 3. I am putting t is equal to how much? 1 minus x raised to minus 3 dear students. Now how to solve you see. I will take the derivative of this. With respect to x, dt by dx it will become, with respect to x in previous videos we have seen. Derivative of 1 is 0 and the minus sign is there I have written. X raised to minus 3 derivative is what? X raised to n derivative is what? N into x raised to n minus 1 or not? X raised to n derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1. X raised to n derivative this is. N value is how much? Minus 3. So I can write minus 3. This is into a. So how much it is? X raised to minus 3 minus 1. Here n value is minus 3 minus 1 I wrote. Understood this? So now see how much you will get dt by dx. Now see minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 3 x raised to minus 3 minus 1 is how much? Minus 4 dear students. Clear? So x raised to minus 4 you take it down. So what you will get? 3 upon x raised to 4 you will get, dear students. Yes or no? If I take x raised to minus 4 downward side, it will become x raised to 4. Clear? चमका के नहीं? So समझ में आ रहा है ना? So अलग बात तक है. So x raised to 4 you cross multiply. X raised to 4 dt I will write, and 3 you take down and dx you send this side. See here, this 3 I am taking it down, dt by 3, x raised to 4 cross multiply, and dx you cross multiply, it will come here. All of you understood? So now you substitute here in the given. So now here you have to substitute in this. 1 minus x raised to minus 3 is what? T. T raised to 1 by 4 you will get. T raised to 1 by 4 whole divided by x raised to 4 you write as it is. And what is dx value? Dx value is there or not here? So you substitute this x raised to 4 dt by 3, dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. Understood or not? So now see, x raised to 4, x raised to 4 get cancelled. Chamka? So now see, this one 1 by 3 you take it out. So t raised to 1 by 4 dt. Understood all of you? So now this is looking like how? Integration of x raised to n. So कितने बार बोलूं मैं? Last time भी बोला था. See x ले है बेको. The last class नली है इतनी. Integration of x raised to n is what? I will write those who don't know. X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, dear students. So now here also it is looking like x raised to n. In place of x t is there. How much you will get? How much you will get this one? T raised to directly I will write 1 by 4. N value is how much? 1 by 4. And you compare with this. X raised to n and t raised to 1 by 4. N value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1. I will show you. 1 by 4 plus 1 is how much? 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. So here also below also we will write 5 by 4. 4 will go upper and it will become 4 by 5, dear students, reciprocal. So now plus c I will write, dear students. This is our integration of t raised to 1 by 4. Understood? So now see, 1 into 4, 4, 3 5s are 15. And what is t? What is t you have taken? 1 minus x raised to minus 3 raised to 5 by 4 plus c. So now you can still simplify 1 minus x raised to minus 3, you can write it as 1 by x cube raised to 5 by 4 plus c, and this is our required answer. Still in many books they will simplify x raised to 3, they will cross multiply and they will take out. This much is enough, dear students. Board will give the marks for you. So don't worry, and this is the formula, don't get confused here also. So this is the derivative of x raised to n and this is the integration of x raised to n, dear students. I hope you understood. So we will see the next question, dear students. Please copy. If you are understanding, please like my channel. Each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you understand and you will support me and help me. So fine, you please copy this. We will see the next question. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Find integration of cot x log of sin x dx. Very easy question. First you write the given question, dear students. Integration of cot x log of sin x dx. So now see, if I take t as cot x, so what is the derivative of cot x, dear students? Minus cosec square. So anything you can cancel here. Nothing is there or not to cancel. So if I take t as log sin x, what is the derivative of log sin x? Log sin x is looking like log x. Log x derivative is what? 1 by x you will write or not? 1 by x means what? 1 by sin x, and that is not x. Sin x derivative is cos x you will say. Cos by sin is cot x. Cot x I can cancel. So maximum students will ask Sir, how to take t value? T value, dear students, it is mentally related work. So mentally you have to think. By thinking only you will understand what the t value you should have to take. So you have to practice continuously, then only you will understand what t value to be taken. So there is no any shortcut for this. So if you take t value, what will happen? You have to think and take the t value. Now just I had given you example. If I take t as a cot x, you are getting minus cos x square and nothing will get cancelled here. Yes or no in this question? So that's why we have to think and take. If I take c here, now only you see here, put t is equal to log of sin x. If I take this as a, I will get cot x, dear students. I will get what? Cot x answer. So I can cancel this cot x I am saying. So like that we have to think. So derivative with differentiate this one with respect to x, dt by dx, log x. It is looking like log x or not? You also know, I also know. This is not x, but it is looking like log x. So log x derivative is 1 by x. But what is the derivative of sin x, dear students? Sin x derivative is cos x. If it is not x, means you have to take the derivative. Log x derivative is 1 by x. This is not x, sin x derivative is cos x. Understood? So now see, here only I am saying this only. dt by dx. See, 1 into cos x is cos x. Cos x divided by how much? Sin x. Now see, dt by dx, cos by sin is what? Cot x or not? So now dt is equal to how much? So dx you cross multiply. See, dt is equal to cot x side, dx I will cross multiply on RHS. See, this will come here. Understood? Dx I have sent here. So now what will happen? You substitute in the question. So cot x, can you see this? Cot x dx. Cot x dx is what? dt or not? dt I will write. And what is log of sin x? Log of sin x is what? T we have taken. Log of sin x is what? Log of sin x is t. T dt we got. Integration of t. Maximum students will say again 1. Again 1 you will say. I am not asking, dear students, a derivative. I am asking you integration. Integration of x raised to n, you know. X raised to n integration is what? X raised to n integration is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, will write or not? This is the x raised to n integration. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there. Nothing is there means what? 1 will be there. So we will not write this one. You have to understand, nothing is there means 1 is there. T raised to 1 is looking like x raised to n. It is not x, I also know, you also know, but it is looking like what? X or no? So that's why you have to replace x by t, dear students. So now I can substitute here t raised to how much n value is? N value here nothing is there means what? 1. 1 plus 1 whole divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. So now see how much you will get. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2 plus c. What is t value? Log of sin x. Yes or no? T value is what? Log sin x. Log sin x whole square. T square it is a log sin x whole square I wrote. Whole divided by 2 plus c, dear students. And this is our required answer, my dear students. I hope you understood. So this is not required. This formula is not required. So for your understanding purpose I wrote. If you want, you can write it by side. So if you are understanding this video, please like and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. Thank you. We'll meet you in my next class. Copy this one.